Welcome to the first real grow test for the Osree GL1000 LED grow light. This is the first test that I have been able to do that really will stress out the performance of this light. The Osree GL1000 is actually 97.8 true watts and produces around the 200 to 400 ppfd range. It's hung at 12 inches above the plant that you see right here, and this particular plant is an early prolific yellow summer squash. Now, this light is designed for a 2x2 tent, so in an open environment, there will be light that is going to be cast off to the sides, and so I will not get as much light as if you were to be in a tent where the walls would reflect. I do have a white wall behind, but that will only push light from one direction. So I do expect a little bit of performance loss for growing this particular plant. Now, the plant that you see right here is about 7 inches across this way and 12 inches across that way. It's expected to get in the neighborhood of around 3-foot diameter, and of course this light will be kept at about the 12 inches above canopy range. So we'll find out together how well that this will work out for your particular grow needs. And stick around with me because I will try to do updates. Yesterday I transplanted this out of a hydroponic unit, an aero garden, and it was a great way to get this plant up and running with big roots on it. I cored out the middle of the self-watering container, the cocoa and the peat mix, and dropped those roots down into the base of the pot. It's self-watering, it's fed from this reservoir to the side, and so the plant should have all the hydroponic nutrient and water that it needs over the course of its life, and together we'll find out just how well the Osree light performs.